Baykar Defense signed an export contract with Albania for Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle. With this contract, Bayraktar TB2 was exported to the 27th country. The contract includes 3 terabytes, 2 deliveries and 30 personnel training. Regarding the issue, in the post made by Baykar CEO Haluk Bayraktar, we signed an export contract with Albania, with which we have walked for centuries and with whom we have strong historical, cultural and humanitarian ties. With this agreement, the number of countries with which we signed export contracts for our Bayraktar TB2 became 27. Good luck. And Baykar Technical Manager Selçuk Bayraktar announced in an interview with A Haber that trials were carried out on the Bayraktar TB2 for the targeted air-air combat capabilities at KIZILELMA. At SAHA EXPO 2022, a contract was signed between Baykar Teknoloji and ROKETSAN on the integration of Bayraktar TB2 and AKINCI SUNGUR air defense missiles. Integration of SUNGUR missiles to AKINCI and TB2, it can lead to the creation of a low-cost air patrol concept in eliminating threats such as attack helicopters and enemy UAVs. In particular, Israel's use of high-cost air-to-air missiles such as Python 5 from F-16s against kamikaze UAVs, or Ukraine's interception of kamikaze UAVs used by Russia with MiG-29 in the Ukraine-Russia war, low cost such as UAVs. However, it points out that new ways of prevention must be found against threats that are currently being answered with high costs.